Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mandy. Thank you so much for being here. If you are new, welcome. Today we're going to be doing another unboxing. Pretty excited about this one because it's the very first one that I've ever done of this type, and it is a FOMO BoxyCharm box. So I got this from the Boxy pop-up. I believe it was $21, and I ordered enough stuff that it was free shipping. But this is my very first FOMO box. I was really hoping that I chose the month that Tarte palette, the Princess Park Ave palette, was in there, because I've hit pan in 3 of those shades. So I was really hoping that was that, but this is not it, because this is definitely too small for that package. Excuse my appearance. I know we're not supposed to say that. We're who we are, but I just got off of work and I wanted to record. I have 2 videos to record. I wanted to do that so that I could just chill, watch YouTube, and all that good stuff. Also, my giveaway is going on right now. It will be linked down below, so don't forget, if you have not watched that video, please go watch that video. And like I said, I'll have that linked below in the description box. So without further ado, because obviously the FOMO's been since April, right? Let's go ahead and get into it. I know, sometimes I'm really stupid, but I'm excited. So let's see what's in our FOMO box. So of course, always the same. Hello, Charmers. Open it up. This actually has black squigglies in it. I've never seen black squigglies in a BoxyCharm box. So it has a black card, no theme, and there are your stuff. What? Okay, so this actually is an item that I did not get, and I was really anxious to get this, and I didn't get it. So I'm excited to see that that's in this box. So I'm gonna pull it out first because it's the first thing that I'm seeing, and it is the IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream. I did not get this, so I'm so happy that this is in this box. All right, so does it still tell you prices? It does. So it says Confidence in a Cream Transforming Moisturizing Super Cream. Developed with plastic surgeons, Confidence in a Cream is your new #1 anti-aging moisturizer. Perfect for all skin types, even the most sensitive. This quick absorbing super cream immerses your skin in moisture, restores visible radiance, reduces the looks of pores, discoloration, lines, and wrinkles, and improves the look of firmness. You'll see powerful results instantly and more dramatic results over time. $48. My box was $21. So I am so happy. I think now that I've done this, I'm going to order a FOMO box every Boxy pop-up, because this one was this. Okay, so I'm almost out of my Drunk Elephant Proteiny Peptide Cream, so that's when I will use this. We all know what it looks like. Definitely has some weight to it. I didn't think it was this heavy. Super excited to have this. Can't believe it's in this box. I'm so happy. This is a great start to this box. So, by the way, can I vent just a second? Just a second. So you guys probably aren't going to see this video for a couple days, but today is come on, watch, work, is Saturday, February 22nd. I ordered my Jeffree Star palette yesterday from Jeffree's website, the Bloodlust palette. My friend that is just getting into makeup pretty much, I pretty much talked her into all this stuff. Very first Jeffree palette. Didn't even forgot about the launch. Monica, shout out, you know who you are. I know you're watching this. Didn't even know about the launch. I come into work, tell her I ordered my palette, and she's like, oh my God, I forgot all about it. Goes on Beautylish an hour later. It's 2 o'clock, mind you. Eastern Standard Time, 2 o'clock. So an hour after launch, she orders it from Beautylish, and she got her palette today. My palette hasn't even shipped, and she got free shipping. I paid $10 for shipping. You guys, I'm upset. If any of you experienced that, leave that down below. I am so mad. I think from now on, I'm going to be ordering from Beautylish. So I paid $10 for shipping. She paid nothing. She got her palette the day after she ordered it. Really? Okay. Sorry, I had to vent. Let me know down below if you guys had this problem. Can't wait to get that thing, or that palette, not thing, that palette. All right, next item in the box is from Laura Geller, and it is the Dew Dreamer Illuminating Drops in Gilded Honey. Now, this is something I think I've seen at Marshall's. Pretty sure I have. And it says, highly concentrated and ultra pigmented, this liquid multi-use illuminator is all you need to customize your glow. I'm like out of breath. 1, because of that cold, and 2, because I just had a rant, and I'm all like upset now. Sorry. Where was I? Formulated for the ultimate versatility, Dew Dreamer Illuminating Drops can be used to highlight bare skin, blended with moisturizer or foundation, or layered as a finishing touch. This liquid illuminator creates a healthy, lit from within glow, instantly blurring the appearance of imperfections as it highlights. Valued at $32. And this is what it looks like. I'm not going to open it because I'm pretty sure I have this or something close to this. So this will probably go in a giveaway. But I'm not complaining because that Confidence in Cream just paid for my box. Alright, so moving on, we have an item from Kat Von D, which is actually Kat Von D. So it's the old brand. And it is an everlasting lipstick. And it is in Sanctuary, which is not a bad color. Nice. Alright, so enjoy a smooth, creamy, lightweight liquid lipstick that stays on all day long, which it does. It is drying though. This highly pigmented, vegan, and cruelty-free formula coats your lips in just one swipe, delivering the color you want and need. It's infused with vitamin E and sunflower seed oil, giving your lips the moisturizing comfort they deserve, valued at $20. And I'm looking for my Kat Von D lipsticks because I don't want to open something that I already have. And I don't know where they are. So, okay. Oh, okay. Well, I'm gonna show you. I don't know if I have this shade or not. So that's why I'm not sure if I want to open it. But there's the shade. It is very dark, but it is something that I probably do have. It's probably up there. I'm sure it is. You probably can see the top, but I'm not gonna mess with it. So there's that. Moving on, we got Squigglies, which, like I said, I've never really seen in this box. Oh no, no, no. Why did they put this in here? You gotta be kidding me. Now this makes me upset because this thing does not work at all. All right. So I really ranted about this when I got this before. It is from Bang Beauty and it is a chocolate eyeliner. It says use as an eyeliner, eyeshadow base, or even touch up your brows. This creamy chocolate toned pomade is the ultimate triple threat. Valued at $22. This $22 is junk. The last one I received of this, it was so dry, and I know everybody else's was too. It just was not worth it. I don't know if I ever want to touch it, but there it is. I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to do with this. I'm not very happy about this, but everything else in the box is great, but I have just not had any luck with Bang Beauty. If you guys have had luck with that, please let me know, but I've not had any luck with them. All right, and the last item in the box is from Tula, and I don't believe I got this. I didn't. I did not get this. So this is Bright All Night Energizing Sheet Mask ×2. I love Tula. I love their brand. It is so nice. Unfortunately, we've got that acne foaming cleanser. I had to give it to my son because I don't really struggle with that, and I don't need a drying, like, you know, a drying cleanser, so I gave it to my kid. So this says Tula's Bright All Night Energizing Sheet Mask is your new pre-party ritual. This holographic sheet mask, combines probiotics and skin superfoods to give you that skin that lights up a room. Valued at $24. I wonder if that's for both. I'm sure it is. So I love the little pouch it comes in. Great for traveling. You probably could put your brushes in that. I want to see. I have some brushes right here, so let's see. Yeah, see, I knew that would work. Put your brushes in there and travel with that. That would work awesome. It's thick enough that it definitely would work. So, oh, they are the little holographic bags. That's so cool. So I probably will use one of these tonight. That's exciting. I love Tula. Love this brand. All right, so let's recap our box. So we have our Tula, beautiful little brightening masks. Love it. We have a beautiful Kat Von D liquid lipstick, nice dark one. We have this crap brand bag. I shouldn't say that. Let me start over. We have this Bang Beauty product eyeliner. We have a Laura Geller illuminating drops, and we have the It Cosmetics Confidence in Cream expensive cream. I'm excited. I want to try their night cream too. So watch me fall in love with this and want the night cream, because that's probably what's going to happen. So for $21, you guys, I'm excited. I'm so happy I got this box. I'm no complaints. I mean, yeah, there is. The Bang Beauty's a complaint, but that's okay. I'm excited. So, what do you guys think? I'm excited. As you can tell, I definitely will do this again. Also, I'm going to do a video about like all the items that I've gotten from pop-up, but I received this mirror today, you guys. I love this thing. It is a Pop Beauty mirror, Pop Sonic mirror. You can, I don't know if you can see this fan spinning, but it keeps you so cool. It has two settings here, one for your fan and one for your light, and it has a little holder here for your phone so that you can watch your videos while you do your makeup. This thing is so cute. I'm so glad I got it. Plus it came with a little circle mirror that you can put on there. I'm trying to fix it now. That is 10 times, you know, 10 times so that you can see up close. Because we all need to see, you know, those little pesky eyebrow hairs. Anyway, I'm going to do a video on all the pop-up things that I got this time around. And I got quite a bit. So stay tuned for that. Also, like I said, that video will be linked down below on the giveaway. Thank you guys for the 300 subs. You're awesome. I love you guys so much. Other than that, don't forget to talk with me down below. I love talking to you guys. And that's it, you guys. Thank you so, so much for being here. And I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys. Have a fantastic day.